How to upload high quality video on Instagram. Firstly, you have to install the Instagram app in your Android by the Play Store. Then open the Instagram app in your Android. This is the desktop page of the Instagram. Then click on the profile menu. Then at the right of the corner, click on the three lines. Then after scrolling, you see the option of the video media quality. Before this, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Then after scrolling, you click on the data usage and media quality. Click on it. Then you see the option of upload at highest quality. Click on it. Now you can upload a video or photo of the highest quality after clicking it on. That was all. You can do it on your Android as well as in the iPhone. I hope that you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.